I'm Alex Steins. I'm a field engineer intern this summer in Stevens Point, Wisconsin, working on the Marshfield Clinic Cancer Center Addition project. I'm coached by our project manager, Linda Danielski, superintendent, Lee Kempf, site superintendent, Jason Fondre, and field engineer, Darren Persley. I started working on the project just as I was starting to get going, and being able to see the progress from virtually nothing is really a neat experience. As a field engineer intern, I've been lucky enough to do a wide variety of tasks this summer, all while gaining some pretty valuable knowledge of the construction industry. Some daily activities that I was very involved with from the beginning were submittals and RFIs. I received the shop drawings and product data or questions from our subcontractors and suppliers, and would then send that information to the architect or engineer through Boldt's online collaboration program. Coordination with subcontractors was a large part of the summer as well, making sure they submitted on items, ordered their material, and got on site to install on time was crucial to the project schedule. I was also in charge of daily site safety orientations for all new Boldt employees or subcontractors. With a busy site like we've had at the Cancer Center, every morning I hold a safety orientation where new members watch the Boldt 2016 safety video. I'll talk them through our site-specific safety rules and emergency plans, and answer any safety questions that they might have. Along with running daily safety orientations, I was also involved with running some weekly safety meetings with tradesmen on site. It was an opportunity for me to raise awareness about a specific safety hazard and receive some feedback about any unsafe conditions or concerns that they had on the project site. At multiple times this summer, I also led the scheduling meeting conference calls with our scheduler Ashley. This was in order to keep the schedule working closely with the activities in the field. It was my job this summer to create meeting agendas and meeting minutes for the weekly site meetings. Attending these weekly owner, subcontractor, and team meetings was a great experience for me. I got the opportunity to sit in on these meetings and to watch how they were conducted, as well as interact with all members of the project, such as owners, architects, and subcontractors. There were a few things that I did not expect to do this summer, but were part of my summer duties. Things like obtaining an early start and a final building permit for our project. Something else was taking job site tours of other Boldt projects to see how those operate and seeing the differences between the two projects, and maybe even bringing back some improvements to our own site. Another interesting thing that I didn't expect was seeing a bid come together on bid day. Our project was bid out in a few different sections in order to meet the schedule, and I was able to help out when receiving and organizing those bids.